my channel, Megan Victoria. So today I was cleaning up and I found this lipstick and I saw like I had a whole bunch of like bronzy colors, but they weren't like warm bronze, they were like cool tone bronze. I was like, I just want to do like a cool tone bronze look. Sometimes bronze doesn't have to be like JLo glow, warm, in your face, shimmery, glimmery amazingness. Like we all know I love that. But I wanted to kind of bring like a cooler, like edgier kind of type of bronze makeup. I love this look. It turned out so great. And it's like, I've been going a little bit more chill on my eyes lately, like less like drag dramatic lashes and more like, I don't know, just like natural glam. I'm really into it. I hope you enjoy it. We got like a pop of like white winged eyeliner, just like spice things up, and I have my hair straight. So like basically I'm a whole new person and like I don't even know what's going on. Also, I don't talk for 500 hours, so if you guys like this style of video, let me know down below. I love like chatting and hanging out, but I understand like nobody really wants to watch a 20-minute video. So if you prefer this, like, I don't know, I hope this video is under 10 minutes, like this like chill, more like to the point video, let me know. With all that said, please keep watching and let's get started. So we're gonna take some Tan Wise bronzing gel. I'm gonna apply that all over my face. I love to give myself a little bit of color before I go in with foundation, so it's not like I need so much coverage. Then we're gonna take our Pure Stick foundation, apply that all over the face, and my favorite 203 blending brush, as always, and rub that in. This is literally my favorite brush ever. It'll be linked down below because I know a lot of you guys asked me about it all of the time. So moving on, we're going to take some Eve Pearl Salmon Concealer, apply that under the eyes very, very simply, and then we're going to go ham with our ColourPop Concealer, like go ham. So apply it to the center of the face, a little bit under the eyes, some under my contour spots, and then we are good to start blending that out. So I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender or sponge, whatever you want to call it, and start blending all that out. And you know, pause for a little dance party and feel yourself and feel yourself and feel yourself. Okay, so we're going to take some RCMA and translucent no color powder, apply that all over the face just to set lightly. It is summer, so I do actually set my face now. Don't usually set all my face, but I do today. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Pure foundation and I just apply the foundation powder over my face for a little bit more coverage, and then some JLo bronzer. I really do love this bronzer. I use it all the time. It's so great. So I apply it on a big fluffy brush just so I can get an olive bronzy glow. Not really a contour, but just a beautiful warmth to the skin and a little bit down the neck, so you know we match our color. Then we're going to take some Wet n Wild gorgeous highlighter. I've been loving this highlighter lately, so I apply that. It's like natural. It's like a nice, like, it's not sparkly. It goes into the skin. It gives you a lovely glow, but it's not like over the top. Then, speaking of Wet n Wild, their Wet n Wild brow pencil has been amazing lately. I love this pencil. I've been using it for probably a month now. It's so good. So I just fill in my eyebrows. You can see how well it matches my brow hairs. Like, it looks amazing. And then I do the other eyebrow. You guys know this is my shit eyebrow. So I start with that. Then I finish off with my ka-brow. And you can see, bam, look, now I have a brow tail. So I manufacture my brow tail with my ka-brow. And then we are good to go. Brush some brow gel through there. And that completes the face. So we're going to go in with our Soiree Diaries palette from Pure. Grab the Gala shade, apply that into our crease with a big fluffy brush just to build up some color. Then I think it's called Splurge. It's like nice like bronzy shadow. Apply that underneath the eyes, and then I'm going to use it to, like, whatever's kind of left over just to lightly like deepen up the crease. Like, this isn't a heavy eyeshadow look, so you know, just go like that. Then I'm going to take my JLo INGLOT palette and I grab the little white vanilla shade just to give myself a little brow bone highlight, little brown bone highlight, and then this metallic chrome eye studio from Maybelline. Apply that all over the eyes, tap that out so it's like blended a little bit, and then I go back into the INGLOT palette and I grab that bronzy shade and I just apply that all over the eyes. I don't know what that weird eye contact was, but you know what, we done, so I'm not gonna actually edit it out. It's gonna stay. So I just take the big fluffy brush, blend everything, and blend it into the transition shade, and you can see we've got a really beautiful blend. Not too harsh, but that like chrome metallic shadow underneath is really gonna like bring that sparkly goodness like to the forefront of the look. Then I'm gonna go into my Visionary palette, take this beautiful gold shade and apply it just to the center of my eye, giving myself like a subtle halo, like, you know, halo effect, and then just kind of like blend that out because I just wanted this whole look to be like very soft. So blend it out with your finger just like so, and then you can go quickly over with the brush just to like finish it off, you know, and then you got a little bit more glow to the eyes, which I love. I've been really into like tightlining my waterline, so I'm gonna do that to my tightline and above my eyes with the black pencil, but I'm actually not going to take it onto the waterline, and I will show you why in a quick second. But I really like this pencil. So before we go there though, oh my god, this is all over the place. I haven't done a voiceover in so long, but we're going to apply some of the Makeup Forever white liquid liner. Oh my god, this is like so much harder than just like sitting and chatting, man. Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm just going to take it and create a beautiful white wing with my liner, and like clearly, like look how sharp and good those wings look. Like they were coming out good that day. Like I was happy about it. So finish those liners. Sometimes you may have to go over like once or twice just to like really build up the opacity. Then some quick mascara on the top lashes. Also make sure to like get it where, you know, all the white liner is, so it's like, you know, not visible when you put lashes on. Then I'm gonna pop these lashes on. I think what are they called? I forget. It'll be listed down below, but they're from Pur. I think they're like Society or Sorority, something like that. They're gorgeous lashes. They're such a perfect lash for this look. They're nice and thick at the band, but then they really show through, so you can see like how spread out they are, so the wing liner can really like come through, as opposed if you had something too thick, then you can't see it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna just apply those to the lashes. I never really show you guys my lash application, so I figured I'd let you see kind of what goes on with that. And now this is why this rose gold Pixi eye pencil has been life-changing. It is so pretty. I've been doing this to almost all my looks, but right in the waterline is like rose gold metallic. It's so beautiful. So then I just take a little bit of mascara and apply that over top. Oh my god, this pencil though, guys, like has changed all my looks. Like they just look so much better. It makes my eyes like sparkle, and because it's a little warmer toned, it makes my blue eyes look even more blue, and I just love it. So just blend your mascara with your lashes, blend your lower lashes, all that good stuff, and you're coated in mascara. Then I'm going to take this gorgeous lip liner. I think this is called 206 from Makeup Forever. It's part of their artist color pencils, and I'm going to line my lips, you know, do my whole thing, fill in my lip shape, then, you know, overline my lip shape, that whole thing, you know. There's no secret, no lip injections. It's just a lot of lip liner. Take it from the drag queens, they know best. All right, so moving on, we're going to grab the liquid lipstick from MAC. This one's called Cafe Au Chic. I've used this so many times. I really like this color. It's such like a neutral coffee, like gray taupey brownie color. It's so pretty. So I fill that in, and then I have this like random gloss, like it's like from a beauty supply store. I think it's called like Namaco or something, and I just apply basically this like pale gray like pinky vanilla gloss right on top, just to kind of neutralize a little bit of the warmth of the color. But that is the whole look. I'm so into this look. Like I can't actually get over how much I love the neutral tones of my skin tone. But anyway, that is the look, and I hope you enjoy. Cue la outro. So there we have it. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and please, like, seriously, if you like these shorter videos, let me know. Like, I honestly just like put my music on, was like bumping and chilling, and I was like, I'm doing my makeup, and I did this look in like 25 minutes, so like it really didn't even take very long. When I talk to you guys, it takes me about 2 hours to film, which I love too. So whatever you guys like, let me know down below. Let me know what other looks you want to see, what other videos, you know, all that stuff. Leave in the down bar below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!